Welcome to our exploration through the world's most remote places. From icy Arctic landscapes to isolated Pacific islands, join us as we journey to some of the furthest corners of our planet, where untouched nature and human resilience meet. Imagine a small, isolated island in the middle of the vast Pacific Ocean, where ancient stone statues called moai stand sentinel over a rugged landscape. This place is Easter Island, or Rapa Nui, known for its mysterious and hauntingly beautiful terrain. The most remote areas of Easter Island are found away from its few towns and roads, deep within its volcanic interior and along its windswept coastlines. Here, you'll find some of the island's most ancient moai statues, carved centuries ago by the Rapa Nui people. These statues, crafted from volcanic rock, can reach towering heights and were placed on stone platforms called ahu, which served as sacred sites for the island's inhabitants. The moai are believed to represent ancestors or chiefs of the Rapa Nui people, and their presence adds to the island's mystical atmosphere. Exploring these remote areas of Easter Island offers a glimpse into the rich history and cultural heritage. Beyond the moai, you'll discover different volcanic craters, lush valleys, and rocky cliffs that showcase the island's diverse natural beauty. Today, Easter Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting visitors from around the world who come to learn about the ancient civilization that once thrived here. Its remoteness and unique blend of natural and cultural landscapes make Easter Island a captivating destination for adventurers and historians alike. Now, imagine a place where the wind howls relentlessly, where temperatures plunge far below freezing, and where the land is covered in a vast expanse of ice and snow as far as the eye can see. This place is Antarctica, the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. In Antarctica, there's a region known as the interior, far from the coastline and any human settlements. This area is one of the most remote places on our planet. It's a land of extremes, where summer temperatures can barely rise above -4 degrees Fahrenheit, and winter temperatures can plummet to -112 degrees Fahrenheit. The interior of Antarctica is covered by a massive ice sheet that holds about 70% of the world's fresh water. This ice sheet is several kilometers thick in places, making it a frozen desert unlike anywhere else on Earth. The harsh conditions and isolation mean that only a few scientists and researchers brave the journey to study this unique environment. Despite its extreme conditions, Antarctica is home to a surprising variety of life. Some of the creatures that survive here include penguins, seals, and seabirds, which rely on the nutrient-rich waters surrounding the continent for their survival. Studying Antarctica's interior helps scientists understand climate change and its effects on our planet. The ice cores drilled from its glaciers provide clues about the Earth's climate history, spanning thousands of years. Antarctica remains a place of wonder and mystery, with its vast icy landscapes and unique wildlife. It challenges our understanding of what life can endure, and teaches us valuable lessons about the importance of protecting our planet's delicate ecosystems. There's a tiny group of volcanic islands in the middle of the vast South Atlantic Ocean, where towering cliffs meet crashing waves, and a small community lives amongst rugged, untouched landscapes. This place is Tristan da Cunha, known as one of the most remote inhabited islands in the world. The most remote area of Tristan da Cunha is the main island, where most of its approximately 250 residents live in a small settlement called Edinburgh of the Seven Seas. This village is located on the northern coast, nestled between steep cliffs and surrounded by lush green valleys and volcanic peaks. Tristan da Cunha is part of a British overseas territory and is accessible only by a multi-day boat journey from South Africa, over 1,500 miles away. Its isolation has preserved its unique environment and way of life, making it a haven for wildlife and a rare glimpse into a simpler, more traditional way of living. The island's volcanic origins are evident in its dramatic landscapes, with rugged coastlines, volcanic craters, and pristine beaches. Its waters are teeming with marine life, including seals, seabirds, and whales, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and researchers. Despite its remoteness, Tristan da Cunha's residents have a strong community spirit and are largely self-sufficient, relying on fishing and agriculture for their livelihoods. They welcome visitors with warm hospitality, offering a glimpse into their unique island culture and traditions. Tristan da Cunha's remoteness and natural beauty make it a fascinating destination for adventurers and those seeking to explore one of the world's last truly remote places, where nature and human resilience thrive in harmony. There's a cluster of volcanic islands scattered across the South Pacific Ocean, where steep cliffs plunge into the turquoise waters, teeming with marine life below. This place is the Pitcairn Islands, a British overseas territory known as one of the most isolated inhabited places on Earth. The most remote area of the Pitcairn Islands is Pitcairn Island itself, the only inhabited island among the group. It's home to a small community descended from the mutineers of HMS Bounty and their Tahitian companions, totaling about 50 residents. Pitcairn Island is accessible only by a long boat journey from French Polynesia, over 3,100 miles away. Its isolation has preserved its natural beauty, with its beautiful beaches, green valleys, and rugged volcanic peaks that rise from the sea. The island's unique history and culture are evident in its traditional Polynesian-inspired lifestyle and the preserved remains of the Bounty's wreck, which can still be seen offshore. Residents rely on fishing, agriculture, and tourism to sustain their community. Pitcairn's waters are a marine reserve, offering some of the clearest, most biodiverse marine environments in the world. Visitors can snorkel among colorful coral reefs, swim with dolphins and turtles, and explore underwater caves and shipwrecks. Despite its remoteness, Pitcairn Island maintains a close-knit community, with residents proud of their heritage and welcoming visitors who make the journey. It's a place where nature thrives undisturbed, and the spirit of adventure lives on in every wave. The Desolation Islands are a group of islands hidden in the vast expanse of the southern Indian Ocean, where icy winds blow relentlessly and towering cliffs rise from the sea of swirling waves. This place is Kerguelen Islands, also known as the Desolation Islands, a remote and untouched corner of the world. The most remote part of the Kerguelen Islands lies deep within its volcanic interior, away from its few research stations and human settlements. This rugged landscape is dominated by snow-capped peaks, barren plains, and icy fjords that carve through the land. Kerguelen's isolation has preserved its pristine natural environment, making it a haven for wildlife such as seals, penguins, and seabirds. These creatures thrive in the icy waters surrounding the islands, where they find refuge from the harsh Atlantic climate. The islands are part of the French Southern and Antarctic lands, a territory known for its scientific research and exploration. Scientists come here to study the unique ecosystems and geology, which provide insights into climate change and Earth's history. Despite its harsh conditions, the Kerguelen Islands offer a stark beauty that captivates the imagination. Its untouched landscapes and abundant wildlife make it a destination for adventurers and researchers seeking to unravel the mysteries of one of the world's last great wildernesses. Picture an island oasis nestled in the Indian Ocean, where towering limestone cliffs overlook turquoise waters, and unique plants thrive in an otherworldly landscape. This place is Socotra, often called the Galapagos of the Indian Ocean, known for its remote and stunning natural beauty. The most remote part of Socotra is found in its interior and along its rugged coastline, away from the small towns and villages. Here, you'll discover ancient dragon's blood trees with umbrella-like canopies and bizarre-shaped bottle trees that dot the landscape. Socotra's isolation has led to the evolution of over 700 endemic species of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. These include the iconic dragon's blood tree, which produces a deep red sap, and the Socotra bunting, a rare bird species that nests among the cliffs. The island's unique flora and fauna have captivated scientists and explorers for centuries, with ongoing research focused on understanding its biodiversity and ecological importance. Socotra is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its outstanding universal value and cultural significance. Even though it's remote, Socotra has a rich history and vibrant culture shaped by Arab, Somali, and Indian influences. Its people have adapted to the island's harsh conditions, relying on fishing and agriculture to sustain their communities. Visiting Socotra offers a glimpse into a world untouched by modern development, where nature reigns supreme and ancient traditions endure. Its pristine beaches, rugged mountains, make it a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through the world's most remote places, from the Arctic wilderness to the secluded islands of the Pacific. These locations remind us of Earth's vastness and the beauty found in isolation.